Burglar charged for killing police in Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Manchester police have arrested and charged a man in connection with the murder of a police district constable in the parish in December of last year. The accused has been identified as 53-year-old Eric Miller, otherwise called Burglar, of Somerset District, also in the parish of Manchester. Reports are that at around 10 p.m. on December the 3rd, 2021, the district constable was at a bar when he went outside to urinate. He was pounced upon by a gunman armed with a handgun who opened fire, hitting him multiple times. The officer managed to return the fire, also injuring his attacker. The police were summoned, and upon the arrival of the police, the district constable and the gunman were both rushed to the Mandeville Regional Hospital, where the cop succumbed to his injuries while being treated. The other man was treated and placed under police guard. He has since been charged with murder and illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.